All right, let's see what we got here. Package from Mark Miller. These are VSH virgin queens that Mark reared. They hatched Sunday night. Today is Wednesday. They arrived overnight shipping from UPS. So left on Monday. Arrived about 12:30 today, right before we had to go do a school thing. But nice job, Mark. Look at this. We heard him piping right when we got him in. You see two little batteries. Apiary health certificate. Nice. So we got 20 VSH virgin queens. He rears queens off of a breeder he got from Cory Stevens. We got a bunch of Carniolan stock from California beekeeper Jose. And now we're gonna get some VSH from Mark. Super excited about improving our genetic stock in our apiary. So let's see how they did. You can hear them. You can hear the workers in here anyway. It's like Christmas in May. Alright, here's our first one. Little JZ-BZ battery. Open it not towards my face. Oh. You can see them all in there. I'll take off my glasses so I can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These gals are all looking good. These 12 are alive and looking awesome, Mark. And close these right back up. I got 19 queenless nukes in my backyard. And I got a friend or two who's gonna come and pick up a couple as well. Let's see how this one did. Alright, so here's the second one. There's one bee that left as I opened it. Alright. Oh, come on, fingers. Alright, here's the second one. Again, I'll open it up away from me, just in case. These gals all look good too. Just check to make sure. These look like they have attendants in there. Did they have attendants in here too? Yeah, I guess so. Alright. So I'll pull one out. Yep. So he's got the virgin in there with a couple of attendants. And then everyone on the outside, helping to make sure it was a nice safe trip from Tennessee to Colorado. Looks awesome, Mark. Thank you very much. Alright. Next step will be installing them. I've got queenless nukes in all various stages. I went through all of them yesterday. There's a couple that I have to go back and check and maybe cut back queen cells again, but otherwise everything looks great. All right, see you soon.